Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Dear students, today we begin to learn new chapter number 4, evolution. 4.1, the concept of evolution. 4.2, the stages of evolution of animal. 4.3, apes. Dear students, today in this lesson we are going to learn about the concept of evolution, the stages of evolution of animals, and about apes. Let's see 4.1, the concept of evolution. It means, what is evolution? Dear students, the word evolution is generally understood to mean gradual or continuous change. Evolution means gradual and continuous change. Gradual and continuous change is called evolution. Dear students, you will ask the questions, what is known as evolution? So answer is, or what is the meaning of evolution? The answer is, evolution means gradual and continuous change, or you can say gradual and continuous change is known as evolution. So evolution in the plant and animal world can be explained in the following manner. In the process of survival, by adapting to environmental changes, certain internal physical changes occur in some animals of a species. Over a period of time, these internal changes become inherited characteristics seen in all following generations. Thus, a new species with characteristics different from the original may be created. Dear students, in the process of survival, the animals adapt to the environmental changes, and this results in internal physical changes which are inherited by the subsequent generations. A new species with the characteristics it is different from the original species emerge. Such a species is usually more evolved than the original one. Then sometimes the original species dies out or becomes extinct. Sometimes more than one species evolve from the original one. The first scientist to give us a systematic explanation of the concept of evolution was Charles Darwin. Here, the new species are more evolved than the original species. Original species become extinct sometimes, and sometimes more than one species evolve out of the original species. Here, one of the scientist name is mentioned. He is Charles Darwin. He explains the concept of evolution with some examples. Then species which are capable of adapting to environmental changes are able to survive. The ones that cannot do so become extinct in the process of evolution. My dear students, here Charles Darwin gave a systematic explanation of the process of evolution. According to him, or Darwin stated that species which are capable of adapting to environment changes survive, and second one is species which are unable to adapt become extinct. In ancient times, there are many species of a type of animal called dinosaurs. Dinos in Greek means terrible. Dinos is a Greek word and it means terrible. And source means lizard or reptile. And in this way, dinosaur means a terrible lizard. Dinos is a Greek word. It means terrible and saurus means lizard. So, dinosaur means a terrible lizard. See, various species of dinosaurs are given here. How they physically change, how their shapes are change. Here some of these dinosaurs were enormous in size. It appears that these species of enormous dinosaurs suddenly became extinct. Some sudden natural disasters or environmental change is believed to be responsible for their extinction. My dear students, some sudden natural disasters. Do you know the natural disasters? Can you tell me? Dear students, natural disasters means here earthquake, flood. Then you can say that here natural disasters, for example earthquake and flood or environmental changes, is believed to be responsible for their extinction. My dear students, just we learn that some of these dinosaurs were enormous. Enormous means vast or big in size. And it appears that these species of enormous dinosaurs suddenly became extinct. Fossils of dinosaurs with wings have been discovered. It is believed that some species of two legs and winged dinosaurs evolved into birds. See here the skeleton of a dinosaur. Have you seen that what you call here? Have you seen the movie of dinosaur? My dear student, if not, you have to see the movie of dinosaur, and this is the movie for children. Now see the next. This is reconstructed picture of a dinosaur with wings. Have you seen the film Harry Potter? So my dear students, in Harry Potter the bird is shown in that film, so you have to see the film. Dear students, hope you understood this part of this lesson number 4th, evaluation. Remaining part of this chapter we will learn tomorrow. My dear students, read the lesson carefully. This is the homework, today's homework for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.